right, so here's the zigzag challenge mission from Challenge Missions 1. As you can see, it is uh, quite a back and forth here. So one of the things we're going to do is repeat a couple times for each one. And the first time you're going to go forward, turn left, and then after that you're going to go forward, turn right. So to do that, you can see the code over here looks a little bit like this. 90-degree turns using the gyro sensor and the reset. It's pretty much all I'm doing is using my call until touch and my turning buttons. So I'm going to get rid of all this and do it from scratch for you folks. So for you guys, doing it from scratch from the beginning. Sorry, I'm making this late at night, so apologize if it is if I'm delirious. Here we go. So repeat. The first one I'll repeat twice, and I'm going to use my call until touch, which is basically just drive forward and then wait until touch is pressed. So here it is. Oops. Go back to main. Sorry. Oops. Oh, that's good. And go back to main. Call until touch. And then my drive block. Power 10. Steering. Get a data value here for negative 100. Negative 100. And get my gyro sensor block here. Greater than or equal to 90. My first two, right? And then I'm basically going to do something very much like this. I'm just going to duplicate it. Hit 3. Let's go that extra turn. Get rid of the 100 here. Oops. And this is going to switch to negative 90 and less than or equal to. The other thing, and I forgot to put this in here, for each one of these is we need to make sure we reset the gyro sensor. So after we make the turn, we reset the gyro. And this looks significantly shorter, so let's just take a look. It's going to go forward until it hits. It's going to turn left, go forward. Ah, yeah. So actually I have to put this all in here. So forward, left, forward, right, forward, left, forward, right. And then the next one, we're going to take basically the entire thing and just switch everything around. So I'm going to make this 3. This time, instead of going left first, we're going to go right first, which makes this less than or equal to negative 90, and makes this negative 100 greater than or equal to 90. That's one way to make this code quickly without having to go and pull all the blocks. Let's just see if it works. Let's see if I did this right. And there you go. So all the way through zigzag activity. So there's a lot there, but if you use the right click and duplicate, you'll be able to save yourself some time. The only thing that's important is when you do duplicate the code, make sure you switch the pluses and minuses here on the gyro angle mode and the steering itself. Remember, left-hand turn is negative steering, positive gyro angle, and right-hand turn is positive steering and negative gyro angle.